We want to sort some rabbits and we need to move some small ones to a particular place away from their mother. That's winning of rabbits, so we need to win them. And we have a few, like this male. This one hasn't been crossing, doesn't even want to cross at all. So we are thinking of putting a female rabbit with him and see if he's going to cross. This Angora breed, male rabbit. So we're going to move some set of rabbits here just till we complete our other cage. I'm trying to construct a new cage now for them, but right now I'll be traveling. I won't be able to finish it, so I have to wait. I have to nail here. We have a space here, but let's just make these ones. Ooh. Manage here for now. Okay, sorry we had to move you guys around all the time. These are Havana breed, gave birth to by a let's say Havana Angora rabbit. So 2 here for now. We are going to get you a new home. So this one gave birth to 9. This one gave birth to 9. This one gave birth to 7, and this one gave birth to 4. So from the 9. We lost 2 here, and we did not lose any here. So let's move them. It's time, guys. It's time to leave your mother and start your new life. Enjoy your life. Eat as much as you can. Reproduce, okay? Thinking of putting these ones and those ones in that cage. The brown can actually go. And the last one is far away.
So this one's going into the cage.
Yeah. So wait. How many are these? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You should be able to fit in that cage. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh yeah, let's pack this one. And this. Look at the difference in their size.
And they're just 1 day older than each other.
No, they are the same. Almost. No. Oh, this one is.
The brown are a day older than them.
Because this one gave birth to 4. Alright. Let's move them. Take this.
Is it to this cage or to? Outside.
Alright. So same thing. I don't want a mix of this and this. Let's put this. Okay, they are all male.
Oh, they're all male.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 6 here, we have 7 right here. That's good. We're still cleaning this place, so we can put their feet there. They can enjoy or relax. Welcome to your new home. I think this is okay for them. So they need fresh water and they need feed. Yeah. So we should keep giving them feed every day and we keep giving them tail as well every day. So the corn hawks, we keep giving them every day. And so far there is ventilation, they can survive. Five, right?
Yeah.
Let me take from you.
So they need their small feeder. They need feeder, yeah.
If you want to check, you will have to use your fingers, put it at the lower abdomen. So if you feel anything like a rock stone, you have to be gentle with it. So around this side is where you want to check. Okay, but sometimes the baby do hide around this place. So this one is not pregnant. She's not pregnant. Let's return this one. Another one. Nope. This is the third one. No, she's not pregnant. Nope. So this one is pregnant. Not too much baby, but she's pregnant.
So 1 out of 5. 4.
It's not pregnant as well. So we're left with one. So this sometimes they give you mark. So carrying them, you know, they are not the type of animals that does. Sometimes they just raise their nails up and their nails are crazy sharp. Very sharp, very sharp. See? That's deep.